We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
1 2 3 4
बंद करो ये अत्याचार
1 2 3 4
बंद करो ये अत्याचार
3 4
बंद करो ये अत्याचार
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
1 2 3 4
बंद करो ये अत्याचार
1 2 3 4
बंद करो ये अत्याचार
मोमिता हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं We
हम-
want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
We want safety. We want
Safety.
We want
Safety.
I'm Dr. Suhail from PSC Shiri. So on behalf of medical fraternity and all the doctors, paramedic staff and all other nursing orderly and all the staff from PSC Shiri, I'm here to protest today because this is my fundamental right to protest. And the protest is against the heinous crime that has been committed in Kolkata against a doctor, Dr. Momita. May his soul rest in peace. And the rape and murder, the way it was done, it's really a big blot on the humanity and on the call of Indian Medical Association. We have gathered here for a 24 hours protest, even though this is a short protest, but we are here to just record our protest, to tell to the government and to the people around that we are here to serve them, serve the humanity. We are not their enemies. But how come they are just committing these type of crimes? And the same thing has happened a few days back here also in our hospital. Paramedic staff, namely our pharmacist, was physically assaulted and nobody was there to protect him. We are feeling helpless. Not something you have to just be here.
I am with you,
You
sir.
nailed it, you did all.
I am with you, sir.
Final word, sir.
Fine word.
We request the government, Honorable our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, we request him to start an inquiry, a high-level inquiry, which will include all the some judiciary also, and some expertise also, and our law enforcement agencies also, to just go into it and look what were the circumstances that has led to such a heinous crime, and catch hold of the culprits as soon as possible and punish them to such a level so that this will be an example for everybody, so that nobody will do such a heinous crime against humanity, and especially against the warriors. We were the warriors who were in COVID. We were the people who suffered. We served the people. So we are tortured and done, this type of things are done against us. This is really very sad. So I request, handfold request to our Honorable our Prime Minister, sir, that please look into the matter and do justice, because justice must prevail as soon as possible. Thanks.
बोल चुके हैं, हम इसमें यही ऐड करेंगे कि ऐसा हो जाए इस केस में, इतनी जस्टिस हो कि कम से कम हम सब फीमेल्स काम करते हुए घबराए ना, हमें भी लगे कि किसी के साथ कुछ नहीं होगा। हम जब निकले तो हमें एक घबराहट ना हो कि हम वापस आएंगे कि नहीं, किस हाल में वापस आएंगे, क्या हमारे घर वाले उसी हालत में हमें पाएंगे कि नहीं। अगर इस बारी जस्टिस ना हो पाया तो शायद कभी भी कोई भी माँ बाप अपनी बच्ची को डॉक्टर, पैरामेडिक्स या मेडिको नहीं बनाना चाहेगा। इस बार नहीं तो कभी नहीं। हम मोमिता के साथ हैं, हम अपने आप के साथ हैं, हम तमाम मेडिकोज के साथ हैं। वी वॉन्ट जस्टिस एंड वी आर विद मोमिता।